Hi, so I'm trying to make pancakes using the Kenwood hand blender. In the Kenwood jug, I've put 1 cup of flour, sifted, and a couple of tablespoonfuls of caster sugar. And now I'm going to put the wet ingredients. 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, and about a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Don't want too much, make it bitter. I'm just going to use the Kenwood K-Mix hand blender with the whisk attachment. Just put it there and twist it until you hear a click. There you go. It's done. So you've got a minimum and maximum there. I'm just going to use the middle one. It's very simple. Just put it there and press one button. And there you have it. That's the pancake dough in a couple of minutes. We're going to cook it now for breakfast. I'm going to cook everything, but you can actually keep this in the fridge for about 2 to 3 days. But it never lasts that long in my house. The kids just love them. So I've got a little crepe pan or pancake pan. There's a bit of oil on this paper towel. Just put a bit over there, and on low heat, I usually just put 1 scoop for each pancake because we like the small ones, and wait for it to bubble. Okay, so now you've seen bubbles everywhere, and then we're just going to easily flip it. Made a bit more brown, you can wait a little bit longer. After a couple of minutes, let's check it. It's good. The trick that I do, I just put an aluminum foil over the plate, squeeze it inside, leave it there to keep it warm, and go through the rest of my dough. Everything's still warm when I serve them.
My mom makes the best pancakes. This is how I like to eat them. First, you take what looks like the best pancake, butter it up. Add the finest pure Canadian maple syrup. Not too much though. And add some strawberries on the top. It's ready to enjoy now. Delicious.